So hello guys, so the topic today is about percent yield. So this topic is under to the chemistry for engineers. So what is the theoretical of S2SCl2 in grams when 4.5 grams of S8? Sulat na natin. 4.5 grams of S8 are heated with 6.5 grams of Cl2. So first natin gagawin dyan guys is titingnan natin if the equation is balanced. So, ito yun. Naka-balance naman siya. So, proceed na tayo sa pinapanap niya agad pag naka-balance yung equation, guys. So, 32.07 is the grams per mole of S, the sulfur. Since naka-8 siya, guys, 32.07 times natin ng 8 is 256.56. So this will be a 1 mole of S8 times natin ng ang 1 mole of S8, ito yun. 1 mole of S8, 1 mole of S8 is i-convert natin ito in Cl2. S2Cl2, guys. So this will be equals to what? 4. Bakit sa S2Cl2 natin siya i-convert? Kasi ang tanong is what is the theoretical of S2Cl2? So, convert natin ito into S2Cl2. So, 4 moles of S2Cl2 times that the 1 mole of S2Cl2 is equals to what? So, yung S2 natin, paano ba kunin yung S2Cl2 nito? 32.07 times natin ng 2 plus 35.45 times 2. So, 32.07 multiply sa 2 plus 35.45 multiply sa 2. And this will be equals to 135.04. Ang S2Cl2 natin sa grams, guys, ha? So, 135.04 grams of S2Cl2. Bakit kinonvert pa natin ng grams? Since the given is grams and grams. So, this will be equals to what? 9.447 oops. 9.47 grams of S2Cl2. So, next is that the 6.5 grams of Cl2, ang Cl2, so 35.45 times 2, so this will be equals to 70.09 grams of Cl2, ang 1 mole of Cl2. I-convert natin ito in what? Into S2Cl2. So, 4 moles of Cl2, sulat lang natin. Cl2 is equivalent sa 4 moles ng CS2Cl2. Kailangan natin i-convert ng S2Cl2 mole to mole. Kasi is S2Cl2, what is the theoretical yield? So, next convert natin into grams. So, the S2Cl2, 1 mole of S2Cl2 is equals to 135.04 grams of S2Cl2. So, 6.5 times 1 all over 70.9 times 4 all over 4 times 135.04. So, this will be equals to 12.38 grams of S2Cl2. So, the theoretical yield, yun yung pinakamababa. So, the theoretical yield is 9.47. So, ito yung theoretical yield. So, meron na tayong theoretical yield. And the actual yield is already given if the actual yield of Cl2 is 8.0. So, the theoretical yield is 9.47. So, plug and play na lang yan. Percent yield is equals to actual yield 8.0 grams. So, 9.47 grams of S2Cl2, Then multiply natin into 100. So 8 over 9.47 i-multiply natin sa 100 is equals to 84.48% ang percent yield natin, guys. So 84.48% guys. Gets? So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.